Standing over the Betul Bridge, we can see the beautiful meandering Sweetwater River of Betul passing by below to reach Betul Beach and the Indian Ocean. The waters appear green due to the reflection of the surrounding carpet of green palm trees. I am standing over the Betul Bridge in South Goa. Below me is the Betul River passing by. There is not much vehicular traffic over this bridge. This small and relatively new church of Betul village was built in 2009. This white church is sweetly hidden behind a canopy of green palm trees. The entire church seems to be covered in the shade of nature. The Sal River is a small river in South Goa in India. The river opens near Marjal city and passes through the villages of Benalim, Navalim, Varka, Orlim, Carmona, Dramapur, Chinchinam, Asalna, Kavlasam, Mobar and finally reaches to Betul village before drains itself into the Arabian Sea at Betul. The number of Catholics in the parish of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church at Betul, Goa is 600. The Feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church at Betul, Goa is celebrated on the Sunday on or after 8th December every year.